Hello everyone. Are you struggling with the issue where Cash App doesn't let you accept payment? You're not alone. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through step-by-step methods to resolve this issue so you can get back to seamless transactions without any hassles. Handling financial transactions smoothly is crucial, and a blocked payment can be frustrating. Let's dive right in and see how you can accept payments on Cash App without any more roadblocks. Step 1. Check internet connection. The first and often overlooked step to fixing issues on Cash App is ensuring you have a stable internet connection. An unstable or weak connection can prevent transactions from completing successfully. Make sure your phone is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or has a strong cellular data signal. If your internet connection is unstable, try restarting your router or toggling your mobile data off and back on. This can resolve temporary glitches that might affect app performance. Step 2. Update the Cash App. Running an outdated version of the Cash App can cause a host of issues, including problems with accepting payments. Go to your device's App Store, the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for Apple devices, and check for any available updates for Cash App. If an update is available, be sure to download and install it. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that could resolve the payment acceptance problem. Step 3. Verify your account. Another reason why you might not be able to accept payments could be due to incomplete account verification. Open the Cash App and tap on your profile icon. From there, look for any prompts asking you to complete the verification process. This usually involves confirming your identity using personal information and may require you to upload a form of identification. Completing this process is essential for lifting any account limitations, which in turn should enable you to accept payments without issue. Step 4. Check the payment status. Sometimes the problem could be with the payment itself. Go to the Activity tab in Cash App and locate the specific payment in question. Check if it's marked as pending or failed. If it's pending, it might be due to the sender not completing some actions on their end, like adding more funds to their account. Contact the sender and confirm if they've completed all necessary steps. If the payment shows as failed, ask the sender to attempt the transaction again. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If you've tried the above steps and are still experiencing issues, reaching out to Cash App support should be your next course of action. Open the app, go to your profile, and scroll to the bottom to find the Cash Support option. Describe your issue in detail and submit your request. The support team can investigate account-specific issues and provide guidance on resolving them. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue where Cash App doesn't let you accept payment. Start by ensuring a strong internet connection, updating the app, verifying your account, and checking the payment status. Don't hesitate to reach out to Cash App support if issues persist. Technology can sometimes be challenging, but with a systematic approach, you can overcome these hurdles and continue enjoying a smooth payment experience. Accept payments with ease and continue making the most out of your Cash App experience.